watching me, Dad?
Yep.
I'm about to fire. Oh, it kicked.
It kicked. Do it again.
Alright.
Shoot a bullet. You'll be
I
fine.
had it right here.
You'll be fine. Hang on. Alright, let me take a picture of what we're doing.
Alright, the Flint versus the Luno Bear Can. Let's see what we have.
You aim with the dot.
And it got pounded. Okay, this is our 20 gauge shotgun.
Hang on, bud. What is it?
20 gauge shotgun.
First time you ever shot 20 gauge?
Yep.
Are you gonna be careful?
Yep.
Remember, tie it against your shoulder. Finger not on the trigger until you're ready.
Oh!
Do it again?
Yeah. But look at the can, it went flying.
I'll put the can back.
Okay. Ugh.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, that's real.
Remember, open the chamber.
Oh my gosh. How bad did you try it?
It's pretty bad.
Put it in the dirt. Come on, do it again.
So you're okay with 20 gauge?
It kicks the heck out of me, but not that bad.
You can handle it?
Yeah.
You gonna be a crybaby?
Nope.
Hang on a second, bub.
Now?
Hang on. I'll tell you when. Hang on. Okay. Hang on. What is it?
Shooting a 14 part 2.
All right, hang on. Let me get a good visual on the can. Your arch enemy. Okay.
Win.
Ready.
Okay. Oh!
You missed it. Do it again.
No, I'm not doing that 4% again.
One more time. You gotta hit it. 20 gauge?
No.
Hey, 20 gauge one more time.
Alright.
It'll do it.
.410's worse for some reason.
It's
It
worse?
doesn't have a pad.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
It needs a pad.
Okay. All right.